Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining us once again. Hey, it is gonna be, it's not right now, but it's gonna be a super windy day today. So I'm on Lake Monticello this morning because we wanted to get out of that wind because it was gonna be out of control on Fork. And we got a special guest today. That's Mr. Charles Pettit right there. Y'all say hi to Charles. Charles attends our seminars that we do down there at Lake Fork Trophy Lures. And we had a drawing for one. Mr. Charles won the great prize. We're getting to hang out with me for a day.
Better to be lucky than good.
It is, where are we? Last week, October?
Yep, last week of October.
Last week of October. It is pretty dang cold this morning. We got a northwest wind. It's going to be howling all day, so we're dealing with a little bit of some post-frontal type conditions with no clouds in the sky, as you guys see. You ready to get after, buddy?
Let's go.
You pumped? Let's get them. Y'all stay tuned.
Where are they playing game one at? Who won they won the National League did?
Yeah, they're playing in LA.
Okay. Going? About time.
Catfish.
Alright.
If I got it, I got it. You got a lot of trouble hooks, so you're going to have to calm down there. Put that eagle claw on that one. He was acting a fool. Got you all up in the top of your head, sideways.
Surgery.
Put that double Watusi on him. Hey, little baby, tiny little baby Monticello bass, but we off and running now. We've been grinding. We are dealing with some cold front conditions, super windy as I promised, and it is not easy because we have been at it for a couple 3 hours now, and that's the first fish that we've caught.
Got to start somewhere.
Hey, we got a clue though. We got a clue.
Woo, doggy.
I think we can just title this epic fail. Epic fail.
A for trying.
Yeah.
Trying.
Yeah. As you guys can see, it ain't playing out there today. You probably heard the wind on some of the footage that I showed you there. But we caught a whopping one bass. There's only one other boat on the lake today, and now we know why, because we're the only ones dumb enough.
I hope they made it back.
I'll put it this way, guys. That skeeter was flat out airborne several times on the way back. If you know anything about Monticello, it's only about 1,000 acres. And there ain't no way that 1,000 acres should be able to launch a 20-foot skeeter in the air. But it sure enough did it several times.
Rocket launch.
We got some hang time. But hey,
I was bull riding.
we always say, yeah, he was over there holding on to the handle for dear life. We always say, we show you whether we catch them or we don't. And today is a classic case of it was nothing that we could do. We tried everything we could. We fished every area that we could. And it just got to blowing so hard where we just couldn't stay out there because we couldn't even fish anywhere. There was nowhere to get out of it. And we grinded out the one fish. And maybe if the wind would have cooperated, we could have got a little more if we could have stayed all day. But I mean, it's lunchtime now, and there's no way to fish out there as it is. So.
Still beats work.
It does beat work.
It does beat work.
I enjoyed your company, brother.
I did too, Billy.
I hate that the day turned out the way it did on your.
That's fishing, though.
Your prize-winning day. That's a heck of
fishing.
Next time we go to the seminar, we'll have to tell them it ain't really that good of a prize. So. Yes, sir.
It was well worth it.
Well, hey, thanks for coming out with me, bud. Awesome to
Thank you, Billy.
Get to share some time with you and share the boat with you. Hey, we appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to give you guys some more stuff. I'm going to break down some instructional stuff in the garage because I just don't know what else to do today. So I will see you guys back at Casa de Lawson in just a minute. For the first time ever, I kind of lied to you guys. Mr. Charles is back. There he is, right there. Say hi to the people.
Hello, folks.
There he is. That's right. Hey, I had a half-day trip today. We got it. There you go, brother. Mr. Tim Hawkins out here today. Got him a nice bass right there. What you think about that, Tim?
Oh, that's awesome.
She pulled hard. You sit there and grab her tail. She'll take off on you. There she goes. See you later. Good job, brother.
Another one of these, man.
Yeah, boy. Oh, smash stick.
Smash stick.
Wacky rigging the smash stick out here on Lake Fork. Kind of a midday half-day trip. It's going on close to 3 o'clock now, so we've got just a couple hours to 2 or 3 hours to get out here and try and catch a few more fish for you guys. So we're going to try and two-part it and put a few more fish together. So here we go.
Then it got down to the 7th, 8th, and 9th. That thing moving? Yep. I saw that.
Yeah, that's a big old Lake Fork hammerhead right there. Big old Lake Fork hammerhead right there, folks. There you go. Big old giant Lake Fork future sharelunker right there, ladies and gents. Old smash stick fish. Hey, we got on the board a lot quicker here today than we did at Monticello the other day, though, Charles.
Yeah, that was quite a trip.
Yeah. Drove him all the way out to Monticello for misery and wind.
His cousin.
Yeah, little cousin. His baby nephew.
That's really pretty.
Pretty fish. That's awesome. Can't see the camera pick it up. Pretty little fish, pretty little fish.
There he is.
The big one?
Yeah, he's running.
What's he got? That's a little bit.
That is a little. Come on,
It's a
get up here.
bass.
Get up here.
Hey, he landed
I
one.
can't believe it.
Holy cow. 2 half days combined.
It got smaller as it got to the boat.
It did. It did. He's out there where a big one should have been.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your brush?
Yeah. Oh, there he's still on there. Here he comes.
Good deal. Little guy?
Hell.
Decent guy.
Oh!
Charles! What are you doing?
Ah!
Oh, no! Come on,
About 8 pounds, wasn't it?
Oh, 11 teams, what we call those. Hey, look, YouTube, I don't only fish shallow. My goodness. That's a beating. Both times. Both times it was a beating.
I'm man enough to take it.
That's right. That's right. Hey, you know, look, this is what happens sometimes in the fall. You get the wrong end of these weather changes in these frontal systems. And, hey, this is a Saturday on Fork, and there was a whole bunch of people out here this morning. And You know, we got a lot of barometric pressure and a lot of people pressure, and sometimes you don't catch them, right?
This is real life fishing, though.
It is real life. We actually had a decent half day this morning on my guide trip, and then the fish this afternoon did not near as good as they did this morning, but we caught a few.
It's just good being out
It is, boy.
It's beautiful. There you go.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, right. Right. It ain't all that bad.
It's not.
Hey, and we hope we can bring it to y'all when y'all can't be here, and we appreciate you guys watching as always. And we're going to cook up something for the Guides Network to help you guys figure out how to catch some more fish this fall. And it is time. I mean, we're catching the bad weather days, and that's part of fall. But, hey, when you get on the front side of these fronts, boy, you can really catch them. And we've been doing some of that. Just hasn't fell on filming days here the last couple weeks.
But it's been a week of front after front, though.
This week has been odd, and we're on the last one for a while. And so we're catching the post-frontal of 3 in a row, kind of. We could make a lot of excuses, and they're all legitimate. But, the bottom line is that's how fall goes. It's up and down. When it's good, it's really good. And when it's bad, it's really bad. And, who knows? Next time that we got the camera turned on, it could be the home run day. So, well, Mr. Charles, thank you, sir. Appreciate you coming out with me.
I had fun.
Like I said, guys, he was coming to our seminars, and we did a giveaway for a trip with me. And we didn't catch him the first time. The wind was just so bad we couldn't even fish anymore. So I tried to get with him again for another half day, and we had a good time, didn't we?
Get out with Billy. You'll enjoy it.
That's right. Hey, I always say, we can't guarantee that we're going to win the fishing battle every day, but we will absolutely win the fun battle every day in this boat.
It is. It's a good time.
All right, guys. Hey, we appreciate y'all watching like we always say. We will see you next time right here on your Lake Fork Guide. Hey, and we will see you next time right here. Next time we go to the seminar, we'll tell them it ain't really that good of a prize. So. Oh! Charles! What are you doing? Hey, look, YouTube, I don't only fish shallow.